Hello and welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to change taskbar color windows 11 step by step. Now let's get started. Step 1. Right-click on an empty area of your desktop. This opens a quick menu with display and personalization options. It's the fastest way to access these settings. Step 2. Click on Personalization. This section controls themes, background and colors. It manages the overall look of Windows 11. Step 3. Click on Colors. Here you can change Windows mode and accent colors. The taskbar color settings are located in this section. Step 4. Choose your mode to dark or custom. The taskbar color will not change in light mode. Dark or custom unlocks this feature. Step 5. If you select Custom, choose your default Windows mode to dark. This allows the taskbar to apply accent colors correctly. Step 6. Select an accent color. You can pick a preset or choose a custom shade. This color will be used across supported areas. Step 7. Turn on Show Accent Color on Start and Taskbar. The selected color will instantly apply to your taskbar. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.